In this video, I'll show you two different ways how can you use Claude to generate PowerPoint presentations for free. So not only ChatGPT, there are other LLM models available in market using which you will be able to generate PowerPoint presentation. So Claude is a product of company called Anthropic, which is funded by Amazon. And now they also came up with multiple good features, and some of the areas it is better than ChatGPT. So without any further delay, let me show you the first option. So currently I'm in Google homepage, and there if I just paste Claude.ai and then I'll hit enter, then we'll be getting this particular screen. Here you can use your Google authentication to log in. I have a free account, I don't have a paid one yet, and I'll select that account here and I'll be able to log in. So you can also use the same method and you can log into this particular tool. So once logged in, you will be able to see this kind of an interface. It's a very clean interface. I'm in process to record another detailed video where I'll cover all features of Claude. However, in this video, let me show you how can you generate PowerPoint presentations for free using this particular tool. Now I have one prompt copied. This is the same prompt I normally use to show all PowerPoint presentation generation, so that you will be able to see the difference between different tools and methods without concentrating on the specific topic. So let me paste it here. So here what I'm asking that please help me generating a detailed PowerPoint presentation on time management covering best practices, tips and tricks. I'm also looking for certain reference of YouTube videos and books here. And if I hit enter, what it will do, it will start generating the content for me. Now we can see it started generating the content. I'm using a free plan here. So if you are using Claude for the first time and you are also using the free plan, you will be also able to see similar results. Now we generated the content. So we have the outline. You can see slide 13, what are the points will be there, slide 14, what are the points will be there. Everything got generated. What I need to do, I just need to click here to copy the entire text, and then I'll open Notepad. I'll paste this entire content and then I'll save it as an outline file. What I'll do, I'll name it as outline. It will be in the TXT format only, and I'll keep it in the downloads folder and I'll click on save. Now what I'll do, I'll go to PowerPoint. Now once PowerPoint will be open, what I'll do, I'll open a blank presentation. I'll click on new, and this is a blank presentation, and I'll be getting this blank screen. What I'll do, I'll go to file, click on open, and then I'll browse, and there in this particular drop down I'll select all outlines and I'll go to downloads, and there you'll be able to see the file whatever we just generated. I'll click on that and click on open. Now you can see it imported the content using that outline file to a 16-pager presentation. Now only one step to be followed. I'll go to design, I'll click on this particular drop down and I'll select any of the theme from here. You can see the design of the entire slide pack got changed. Now if you want to change any specific slide, you can just select that particular slide and you can choose the design you are looking for. So what we are doing from design, we are selecting the theme for the entire slide pack, and if we need to change any specific slide, if I select this particular slide, so designer will give me different options and from where I can choose. You can see it got changed. So similar way you will be able to change other slides also. So this is option number one. How can you generate PowerPoint presentations for free using Claude? Now before I will show you the next option, now I'm in process to record one comprehensive course on generative AI. I'll be covering ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, different other tools like Claude, Perplexity AI and other different tools, and that will be part of this comprehensive course. I have added one Google form link in the description below. Please fill up that particular form if you want to get a 70% discount coupon once that course will be live. Now moving to the next option. Now again I'm back to the Claude console. What I'll do, I'll go here and I'll click on a new chat, and there I'll paste this particular prompt. Please help me with VBA Code to generate a detailed PowerPoint presentation. So same PowerPoint presentation we are going to generate now, this time using VBA Code. But not to worry, you don't need to know a single line of VBA Code. We'll just copy from here and we'll paste it in PowerPoint to generate another presentation. So let me show you how. So if I hit enter, it will start generating the content for me. It will generate the VBA code. You can see, so it's showing that I'd be happy to create the VBA code, and it started generating the code in the right side of the pen. So once the code will be generated, we'll copy the code and then we'll go to PowerPoint. Now the code has been generated, and in the left pane it is also showing that how can we utilize this particular code. So what I'll do, I'll click on this particular icon to copy this code, and then I'll go to PowerPoint. I'll click on a new PowerPoint. There I'll use this key combination of Alt F11, and then this particular VBA editor will be opened. Here what I need to do, I have to right click here, go to insert, click on module, and just paste the code. And after that I need to click on run. Now it's thrown one error. Now not to worry, we'll be able to rectify this particular problem. What we'll do, we'll click on debug so that we know in which line we are getting this error. We'll copy that. We'll go back to Claude again and we'll write the prompt. I'm getting a runtime error on this line. Give me a revised code. I will just copy the entire code from here and paste in VBA editor. So what I'll do, I'll press shift and press enter, and there I'll paste the line where I'm getting that error, and I'll hit enter. So it will check and it will regenerate the code for us. Now you can see it is regenerating the code for us. Now I purposefully kept this particular error here. I could have just omitted that particular part and give you this video, but in case you are getting any error, so this is the way you will be able to solve. Just check in which line it's getting the error, and also mention that if you are getting a runtime error or any other type of error, just mention that. It will regenerate the code for you. So what I'll do, I'll click on this icon again and I'll copy the code. I'll go back to the VBA console. I'll stop that particular code. I will delete everything and I'll paste the new code and then hit on play again. Now we can see it showing that presentation created successfully. Now if I click on OK, now you'll be able to see this particular presentation got generated. Now we just need to follow the same action again. We need to go to design, we need to pick any of the template, and your presentation will be ready. And if you want to change any of the specific slide, just use the designer. In case designer is not getting invoked for you automatically, you will be able to find it under home tab, under here design. Also under design tab, you will be able to find the designer option in the same place. So hopefully you will be able to utilize these two free methods to generate PowerPoint presentations using Claude. Now I'm in process to record one comprehensive course on generative AI. I'll be covering ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, different other tools like Claude, Perplexity AI, and other different tools, and that will be part of this comprehensive course. I have added one Google form link in the description below. Please fill up that particular form if you want to get a 70% discount coupon once that course will be live. If you want to learn another method to generate PowerPoint presentation, then check out this video to know more about it.